8 years, and now things have changed. We see how the country is responding, because we still need to change the way America thinks. And that's why black lawyers are important. The resources you bring, I was taught that a black lawyer has 2 roles. One, to be gainfully employed because law school debt is real. 2, it's a commitment to your community. So that means going back and bringing what you learned from law school and bringing it back into the community and making sure those resources come back. So we have that. You know, people was like, a lawyer told me, I don't know what pro bono is, but I know I'm gonna be doing some work for the community, and that means some of it's gonna be free. So we have to remember the commitment that we have. And that's why every one of you are here as a future lawyer should be inspired, because we need you to continue to fight. We need you to lift up the mantle. We know the fight's not over. What we need is more people to suit up. And that's why I'm looking at every one of you, and I'm inspired to see that. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in the classroom, and times will be hard. Teachers will have expectations of you that they want you to work harder than the counterparts because you're black, you're Hispanic, so they feel you didn't do well enough, you didn't do good enough. But I tell you now, because of our ancestors and the blood they shed, you can make this fight. You can be here. You deserve to be here.